My dear people, even without me talking about the applications of continuity equation, I'm very sure you'll be able to come up with a list of examples of where continuity equation will be used. Nozzles, wherever there is flow, wherever there is fluid flowing, continuity equation is going to be used. I have especially put this particular photograph of female firefighters, yeah, is because firefighting is you traditionally considered to be a male oriented job, in which continuity equation plays a major role. But it is so very encouraging to see female participation, especially female participation in engineering is something that I'm so very happy about, and something that I would really passionately encourage, and also looking forward to see more of it. I know that there are quite a few female students in our group doing engineering. Bravo, you are all examples, role models for future women wanting to get into engineering, just like these two young ladies who are the first two fire firefighting women from Saudi Arabia. Bravo. In terms of the applications, it's not just mechanical applications, my dear people. It is also continuity equation is also it's in breathing. When you're breathing, when we are taking air in and breathing out, continuity equation, branching pipes. When the heart is beating, you know continuity equation is applied. The application of continuity equation can also be seen in terms of the blood flowing through the veins. So when we learnt about continuity equation, we learnt a little bit of biology, little bit of, well, nature itself. Won't you say so? Okay, now I do not want you to think of whatever we have learned continuity equation as just some sort of an equation, as just some sort of a mathematical expression in which fluid is flowing in, fluid is flowing out, it's branching in, branching out. Okay, so what? Yeah, I want you all, my dear people, to use continuity equation to bring about these sustainable development goals. Number 6, clean water and sanitation, sustainable cities and communities, climate action, life below water and life on land. I want you all to think about how you can use continuity equation as a tool to bring about these things. I will be explaining this to you during our lecture on Monday morning, but I want you to give the opportunity for you all to think about it. Is that okay? Yes? You already know about all the current issues that we are facing in the world, especially in some of the countries. There are flood. In a lot of other countries there is very little water availability. Yeah, and the first photograph is from Sudan, the second photograph is from the farming community in Pakistan, and the third photograph is, I think, if I'm correct, it's based on the drought in Australia. You see, no swimming. Well, we are facing a global water crisis. When we, I'm not just joking, look at the drought map that has just come through of Australia. Yeah, it's not just in Australia, it's not just in some underdeveloped countries or developing countries. In 2016-17 there was a drought in the UK, and the people were discouraged to water their garden, etc. I'm sure you all remember that. So water is such a precious resource. So my challenge to you all is for you to think about how you can use the continuity equation, whatever we have learned, yes, to bring about water conservation. I'll give you a clue: washing hands. Yeah. I will show you how continuity equation is linked with some of the social problems such as water scarcity, washing hands, with quite a lot of things. Huh? I want you to think about it, and then we can discuss about this during the lecture on Monday. Yeah. Well, out of curiosity, I want to ask you all something. Huh? I'm sure you have all seen water flowing out of a pipe. Of course, we see it almost every day. But my question is this: have you really observed water flowing through pipe? How does it flow? Does it flow like A in the tap, B, or C? How does it flow? Huh? You know what? I'd be very surprised if you do not like go to the tap nearby and then do it. Hopefully you do it, and then you let me know during the lectorial. Yeah. Okay, my dear people, I'd like to conclude our lecture by saying that in this lecture, we have looked at what continuity equation is, what are the reasons for us to learn it, the flow through pipes, different densities, and also we have solved mathematical problems. And I want you all to think about how continuity equation can be used to bring about sustainable development. Yeah. Well, my dear people, I'm really looking forward to hearing your feedback on this, and looking forward to continuously improve our time together. Bravo. See you all. Bye.